How to transplant St. Augustine grass. St. Augustine is a common and attractive lawn grass that is found in warm weather climates. Transplanting St. Augustine grass is a relatively quick and economical way to improve your lawn. This provides an alternative to re-sodding the lawn, which is expensive, or growing the entire lawn from seed, which takes a long time. Things you'll need: spade, shovel, rake, water, fence post digger, fertilizer. Preparation. Prepare the area where St. Augustine grass will be transplanted with a spade or shovel. Dig down 2 inches into the soil to remove any existing plant roots. Thoroughly rake the area. Water the area where grass is to be transplanted. Dig a series of holes with a spade or fence post installation tool. Dig holes 6 inches deep and 6 inches wide. Place the holes 1 foot apart from each other. If digging multiple rows, alternate holes so they are midway between holes located in adjacent rows. Consult an expert at a local nursery to find out which fertilizer is best for St. Augustine grass in your climate. Place ½ inch of the fertilizer in each hole. Also spread fertilizer around the area where you will be placing the grass. Transplanting. Locate the healthiest part of the grass from which you wish to transplant and cut out clumps, also known as plugs, that are 6 inches wide and 6 inches deep. A fence post digger is the preferred tool to use. Place the recently cut plugs into the holes which you have prepared. Tamp the plugs into the lawn with your foot. You will need to water the plugs at least twice a week unless there is rainfall. Remove any weeds that grow in between the plugs. Wait patiently for grass to spread. Depending on conditions in your area, this can take anywhere from 3 months to a year. Tips: warnings. Place plugs in new holes as soon as possible. St. Augustine grass plugs can also be purchased at a nursery.